I've got the winter Margot Elena box, so if you want to see what's inside, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little guy is Bandit, and Chloe's sitting next to me, but doesn't want to be involved until she sees something she likes. And if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Bandit, do you want to say hi? Look up. Oh, look up. Look. Oh, so handsome. So handsome boy. So this is a quarterly subscription box, and you get different things from different of the Margot Elena lines, such as Tokyo Milk, Library of Flowers, Lolia, Cottage Greenhouse, Archive. There is a little card that goes over your products. You often get one or two exclusive items, things that are only available in the box. And comes all wrapped up, but then inside, everything is wrapped up as well. We have quite a few wrapped items and a few things that are not. So we'll start with two things that are not wrapped up, and the first thing is by Archive, and this is the Yet to Be Written, and this is going to be a hand lotion. And that's going to be sealed, and it needs to be punctured, but these boxes are also very lovely. They make great holders. You take this off here and you'll have something to hold pens or paper clips or hairpins or whatever it is. And that is a $24 value. All right, next for the Lolia line, look at how gorgeous that is as well. We have the Wish Sugared, what is this?
Yeah, what is it?
It's bath salts. It's a $15 value.
Oh, we're keeping this. Oh, please.
Really? You like
Yeah.
it? Okay.
You don't?
A little perfumey for me. I love the little container there. This, I wish they put like just a little paper thing over so you could take it off and have that container. I mean, you can still use it for other things. It's just going to have the writing on it. And we have this bottle opener. So this is going to be one of those things that are an exclusive. Right there is a full look at it. Very nice. It looks nice and sturdy. And this is a $20 value. So that's actually not an exclusive. The bath salts are an exclusive. And the Archive hand cream is an exclusive look, which means it will be on their website eventually, but not yet. All right, next, this is kind of big. It could be, it's kind of heavy. It could be a body cream. I mean, it could be a candle too, but you don't usually get a big candle like this. Usually they're the smaller ones, but let's see. Very heavy. Yep, body lotion. This is from Lolia, and this is the Dream. It's white tea and honeysuckle body butter.
Honeysuckle?
Mm-hmm. There is how it looks.
Oh, it's so good.
Chloe approved. Beautiful glass container. And that's a $44 value. Okay, this feels like the perfume. The perfume's one thing I don't, well, I mean, I guess I do and I don't, because I would probably keep the containers, but I do wish they came in their containers because the containers are so pretty.
It didn't come in the container?
No, they don't usually send the perfumes in their pretty containers. They usually just send them like that. And this is, oh, we just smelled this, and I was like, oh, I wish I'd gotten this on the FabFitFun sale, and I didn't. And here it is. So how nice is that?
At Mystic Village?
Yes. So this is the Tokyo Milk Star Crossed. perfume.
Ooh, it's so pretty too as a unicorn.
And that's a $48 value.
Very citrusy.
And the scent notes are always on there. And the scent notes are citrus leaves, water lily, frankincense, and vetiver. And so this had been in the FabFitFun sale.
Huh? You can try like the top notes, middle, and bottom.
Yeah.
You know which ones?
Oh, so the citrus is probably the top.
Yeah, I can smell it.
The middle is going to be that water lily, and then usually the musky scents, the frankincense and vetiver will be the bottom.
All right.
Anyway, when I read the scent notes, I was like, I don't know if I'll like that. I don't usually like frankincense. And then we were out, and I smelled it, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is wonderful.
I'm starting to smell the water lily.
Mm-hmm.
You want to smell?
Yeah. Yeah, it smells so nice.
Because originally it was such a strong citrus, and now it's calming down. I can still smell it getting the water lily now.
My new favorite. All right, we have, now this is small, could be a candle, could be a face mask from the Cottage Greenhouse line. And this is the All Things Beautiful Snow Falling Winter Pine and Balsam. I guess this is a candle. Yes. Ooh, it smells like winter. Smell.
Ooh! Are you starting to smell the like the bottom ones?
A little bit. I can still smell the citrus though, actually.
Me too. It's very
No, Bandit. No.
I'm starting to smell that like spiced musk.
All right, and that is by M.E. I'm not sure what line that is, but kind of new to me. It is the Snow Falling Candle. It's an exclusive, and it's a $14 value. Okay, next.
Is that the last thing?
No, there's one more thing in there. This is either going to be a shower gel or a lotion, just based upon the fact that it's a large tube. This is the Library of Flowers True Vanilla Shower Gel. And that is a $23 value.
You smell good, Bandit? I don't think he likes it. Hey, buddy, hey.
Oh, and it's all sealed up.
Personal space. Personal space. Did you smell it?
No, it's all sealed up.
Personal space, buddy.
And then the last thing in here is a set of 3 greeting cards.
Ooh. Oh, greeting cards.
And this is a $16.50 value. We have, hey man, you're too cool for words. Happy birthday. In the back has the little ostrich. And then there's a Happy Valentine's Day. And then there is one, I don't know what this is. This is Christmas. It began to occur to them that the bottle of bourbon was empty and that grandfather had passed out long ago. Looks like a Christmas card of sorts. Let's say what it says inside. It does not.
No.
Yeah, I still love it.
Yeah, me too. I was saying, to smell the musks more. I am.
Oh, M.E. Margot Elena.
Oh, nice.
Hello. All right, so that is the box, and my favorite thing is that perfume because I was wanting it and it showed up. So how exciting is that? And it does smell just so pretty. All right, well, let us know your thoughts. What was your favorite item in the box? And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.